Hello and welcome to Cindy's Artistic World, and thank you for joining me today.
So I'm stepping out in my mighty little garden, and I'm going back to this little camera I have. It's a body cam, to see how well it does. My problem with my other cameras is they're not adjusting. Now that I've got so much shade, they're not adjusting to the shade light thing, so we'll see how this one does. I want to clean my bird baths today, and it's about cleaning up in the yard. The garden is doing very well. You can see my little shop of horrors are getting close to blooming. Yeah, they're real close to blooming. They're incredible little plants. They bloom and then they turn into something that really reminds me of the little shop of horrors. Anyway, most of what I'm going to do outside today is deadhead. And I may give it a water by the time it goes. Snowman got a couple of sunflowers yesterday. He was pretty happy. I'm still happy with the sunflowers. I harvested a lot of lettuce. Oh, we need strawberries. I think I'm going to aerate this ground, but I'm also going to try and get my fertilizer spread. Those deadheading, a little weeding, and spreading some. Let's get up close to this guy. Look at that. He's so pretty. It's a honeybee instead of the Africanized ones. Pretty sure it is. He's got the fuzzies. And the Africanized ones don't really collect. They pollinate, but they don't really collect the pollen. So I had put the fence up here for the arugula to hold it back. The pods are developing, but they're not very big yet. So I've probably got another week before they're harvestable. Maybe 2. See, this is also a deadheading situation. See all this dead, which I'll trim off down where the calla lilies are. I lost all of my sweet basil here, and it's always grown so well here. I'm really surprised. That's okay, we'll do it again. You can see the plants limping. This is just after one day of not watering. It's not that hot. Ooh, look at the pea pods. They're developing well. Oh yeah, lots of sugar snaps. I think that's what Snowman was looking at. Anyway, to clean up my calla lilies, all I do is go down, grab it, and pull it out. So I'm going to do that. I could cut them off, but usually I don't get more than a flower in the leaf. See, this one just came out, just the flower stalk. Look how tall this is. Huh. Anyway, that's my goals today. A little cleanup. Little cleanup in the garden. And of course, test this camera back out.
Thank you so very much for being a part of Cindy's Artistic World today. Please give us a like, follow, or subscribe.